In this video, I will show you how to make a thread on Twitter. A Twitter thread lets you share info, tell stories, and communicate with your friends. So let's get started. First, open your Twitter app on your phone, and then in the bottom right corner, there's a plus symbol. Click that. This will make you post your first tweet and type in it. And then click again the plus symbol at the top right corner of the keyboard. This will be the second tweet of your thread. So you type in it whatever you want. And you continue doing it again until you have all of the posts in your thread. Yes. And for the last step, click the tweet all button at the top right corner of the screen. This will post the tweets all at once. And if you want to check your thread, go to your profile here and you can see your thread in there. And there you go. You finally know how to make a Twitter thread. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.